So for today's videos, I have actually interviewed a client of mine. She is a bookkeeper and offers some general accounting services, where she actually in the last few months attracted 12 new clients. So the business has been growing pretty fast. And in the video, we are basically going to talk about what she has learned in the last 5 years of running her business, what she wanted to do better, and yeah, essentially just stuff that I think a lot of accounting, bookkeeping, and also tax firm owners can benefit from. So first, I will actually quickly introduce myself. My name is Daan, and I'm the owner of Accounting Kings, where we help accountants to get more higher revenue business, tax, and/or accounting clients. We are spending about $50,000 per month on behalf of our accounting clients, and I create these videos just to give away as much free value as possible so you can implement it in your firm and actually make some more money and help some more people. So yeah, in the video, as I said earlier, the video is an interview with Sarah. Owns the accounting firm now for about 5 years and has been growing quite fast. So without further ado, let's dive into the video right now. Okay, so we are with Sarah here, client of Accounting Kings. We are going to talk about her experience, but also the things that she has learned in the last 5 years of running her own bookkeeping firm. So, Sarah, can you quickly introduce yourself and yeah, tell everybody what kind of like the things that you do with your firm?
Hi, I'm Sarah Michael. I do bookkeeping only, no taxes. I used to do taxes, but I would rather focus on bookkeeping so I can provide the best end-to-end experience. We also do sales tax, payroll, all the side effects of bookkeeping and financial forecasting, budgeting, planning for taxes, and also maximizing tax time in
Yeah.
general.
Awesome, awesome. So you've like before we started recording, you told us that, or you told me that you have been in business 5 years and that things are really picking up again. You're going to hire two new people and the business is really growing. What is something that you can actually give as advice for the people that are maybe starting out with their firm and what they should do from the start?
I think providing exceptional customer service from step number one is always going to be what you need to master before you do anything else. Because if you start marketing, but your process isn't that great, you're not going to go very far. So I think it's really good to optimize all of your processes before you start marketing and bringing on more clients when you're growing beyond a basic client load.
Yeah. And how did you do that? Did you just idle of software, build documents?
Well, standard operating procedures for everything so that when you do bring on new hires, they know what to do and there's not as much hand holding. Also just kind of evaluating every process independently, like your onboarding process or your proposal process or just how you provide customer service and how available you are to your clients is very important.
Yeah. Especially in the whole accounting bookkeeping industry where trust and referrals is such a big thing. You also told me that you've grown quite fast last few months actually. What is something that you have really learned regarding sales and marketing in the last few years?
For sales and marketing, oh, that's really just not my department because I'm an accountant, but I have learned a lot because I'm building a go high level and just learning the different steps of the marketing process and how it could be far more effective if I follow the steps and procedures that have been built by all the people before me that know how to do this better than me. So I feel like educating myself has been very, very important to me being able to bring on new clients effectively. Being able to know all the steps of the marketing process helps me to optimize each of those steps so that I am better suited to take on new clients and also be able to close them quicker and more efficiently for better prices.
Yeah. And in terms of the closing the deal, what do you think was the biggest progress you made? What kind of like knowledge actually that you gained made the biggest change, the biggest difference?
Learning more about sales and that I need to just listen more to the pain points and really focus on those when I need to sell a deal.
Yeah.
Because if somebody's having a problem with A, B, or C, they want to know how you're going to solve A, B, and C. And once you have touched all those topics that are their pain points, it's pretty likely you're going to close the deal as long as the pricing is good. So you really just have to listen more. I, in the past, have been more of a talker to tell you about all the things that I could do for you or how great I can do it. But it really comes down to the problems you're having and how I will directly address those, along with providing great service along the way.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a really good point you're making. You always need to ask the right question and actually listen actively what they are saying. And in terms of, because of course, converting people that you are talking to is one thing, but actually finding those people is probably the biggest bottleneck for most accountants that want to grow. What was the thing that kind of changed everything around for actually filling your calendar with potential clients, meetings?
Exposure. Like I just need to, the website needs to be good. The SEO helps. And having marketing is the icing on the cake to really get yourself put out there.
Yeah. So in the beginning, you were not doing any marketing and you were just kind of like hoping for referrals. What was the kind of like, were you skeptic about marketing for the accounting industry before you actually started?
Absolutely. Isn't everyone skeptical about marketing before they start? Because sometimes you don't know what to expect or if it's going to be effective or if you're going to get clients that you even like. Because nobody wants to get stuck with somebody they don't want to deal with anyway.
Yeah.
So getting the right clients is the magical part.
Yeah.
When marketing gets dialed in directly, you're going to get clients that are right for you.
Yeah. Yeah, so it was just more that the thing that has changed in terms of business growth, skepticism about marketing, and also knowing how to close them. And for you, what the main thing changed that you actually took a really proactive approach on marketing, but also sales and learning how that works. So what makes a lot of sense. And yeah, of course, we worked and are still working together to get you more clients. What specifically have you enjoyed about working with Accounting Kings?
I like the technology behind the whole process. I like go high level. I like the way everything is automated. We don't need to talk all the time about minutia or things. Everything kind of happens in the background, and I'm provided with the right guidance to get everything done that I need to get done. But I like that it's technology based.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, especially with AI and everything, is you if you are not implementing technology as an accountant but also as a marketer, then you will be left behind. So I know that you are very busy. You've onboarded about like 12 clients in the last few months. So would you recommend other accountants to give Accounting Kings a try?
Absolutely. It takes a little bit of patience and changing your ways to really be able to make the sales that you want, which is hard for accountants. I speak for myself, just knowing that we kind of have a little bit of tunnel vision with black and white thinking, but marketing is more of a creative endeavor a little bit. So I think when you change the way your perspective a little bit on marketing and really apply yourself and do all the things that you're told you need to do, don't just brush them over. You can really have the success that you're looking for.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You bet. Thank you.
So I've hoped you learned quite a lot of things. I think the things that she said is listening during the sales conversation is very valuable. All you have to do is just asking the right questions and listening to what people are saying so that you can actually position yourself as a more valuable asset to their business. And also just taking a very serious look about what you are doing for your marketing right now and taking a look at what process you actually need to improve, which is actually funny because I created a video a couple of days ago about the whole sales and marketing process that she actually also talks about, which is a very important thing if you actually want to be independent of just referrals for your accounting business. So if you are an accountant and you want to grow your firm, but you don't really know how or you don't have the time to do all of that sales and marketing stuff yourself, there's a link in the description. You can click on it to actually book a free growth session with me or someone from my team. I will just give you free advice and see how we can potentially help you. So yeah, you can just click on it and check it out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you actually like the video and subscribe if you don't want to miss any other videos like this. And don't forget to actually leave a comment if you have any specific questions, and I will actually personally answer them for you. So thank you again so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.